What's up, everybody? I'm gonna go over stream markers and mix it up because I think this is something that we all either need to do or need to be more familiar with. So, speaking of Sim, this actually video is dedicated to Sim. She was in my chat last night and we were chatting about, I had this idea of like making this super complicated thing where like we could have a file where it gives the timestamp and the date, and then you could go back to your thing, and that doesn't really help, does it? Because then only one person can work on your stuff. Anyway, but there's these things called stream markers, and from what I'm reading here, it puts a marker in your stream at that total thing, and you can, it looks like, add a marker and a description, which is super cool. Sorry, I'm geeking out because I think this will be a super cool feature that we can use Mix It Up to implement as a command for your chat. And so the thought was, what if there was a way for, in case somebody's not near, like if they're on their phone or they don't want to interrupt themselves taking a clip, where you can have your chat help you make clips of your content without, like I said, breaking out of that whole thing and having them struggle during it. We also have the amazing Simhel. She is Clip Queen Extraordinaire, best mod that we have, and she goes through all of our streams and does these things, and she's amazing. She's amazing, especially during our live stream weekends. So again, dedicated to our friend Simhel. Anyway, so what I'm thinking is then now you can just have Mix It Up, have a chat command, let's just call it exclamation point clip, with a description, optionally, that we can then say, chat, if you want to help me clip things, exclamation point clip, and put a little description at the end, and you would rock. You would absolutely rock. So we're gonna do that right now on our lovely friend Mix It Up. So you put it in here, we're gonna do a new command, and it is going to be clip. I'm not going to make it anything other than clip, I feel, because I want something short, sweet, simple, that people can just be like, oh, exclamation point clip, do it, and it does it for me. We're going to put it in the chat, and we're going to have a timeout on this one, personally, and a standard timeout of just 60 seconds, because then if someone clips it, then you're not getting multiple clips of the same thing. That's my thought here. So at least you get your clip within a minute of being there. So hopefully that part makes sense. Now, for me, I'm gonna be honest, I'm a small streamer. I do have occasionally a mod or two in my chat, but a lot of the times I'm by myself. So I would love to have any chat member be able to do this for me. Now, if you want to have other people be able to do this for you, or you don't want to, and you want to restrict it to your moderators, again, just switch this one to be your moderator or streamer, however you want to do it. Again, up to you. Your security is your thing, but that I'm gonna keep it for me to be anyone in my stream. Oh, can you guys clip that? Just do exclamation point clip. I'll get it later. Super cool, right? Super cool. This is a thing for me. I'm not gonna put a requirement on there. No rank. No. I mean, you could do a rank as well. You know, you could do like your VIPs, whatever. Anyway, there's all sorts of things, but we are gonna add a argument, and this is going to be text, and this is gonna be description. SCRIPTION. So this is our description text, and we are gonna make this as optional, right? And we're gonna add that to our special identifiers list. So if you watched the previous one about how to create that custom command for ending your stream, this again is that custom identifier. Let's go back to our custom identifiers, and I think if I I'm just gonna hit enter, it'll take me here, and we want this argument 1 text right there, right? It should actually grab everything there. Allows you to set of arguments between X and Y, arguments, this is really cool, set of arguments, then 5 would replace this, is really cool. Gotcha. Okay, so let me read that again and explain what that is saying. So, argument 1 text is, if you leave it as that, is going to be starting with the first word after the command and everything following. Okay? So Really cool clip, Keegers. It's actually, I'm trying to think of what I can bring up here. I can bring this up. No. Oh wait. Okay, so I'm gonna bring up text. So we're gonna say really cool clip, Keegers. All right, so text. So this guy here. Oop, not it. This guy here. This argument. Text, argument, whatever. Arg1 text. Without anything else. Gives you from the first word, that's the arg1, to the end. So this would give me all of really cool clip Keegers. Arg2 text would be cool clip Keegers. 3, 4, 5. Hopefully you're seeing as the spaces go on, that's where you're adding those things on. So it's getting a little in the weedy, I understand, but just go over that again. So argument 1 is the whole thing. Arg2 is starting at cool clip. Arg3 is clip Keegers. Arg4 is Keegers. Okay, just as this example. Now again, you can have as many arguments as you really want, because this is a description. You can type a book if you want. I wouldn't recommend it, but you know, whatever. In this case, this is what I'm trying to just get across, that in our case, you want to have arg1 text. That's it. Now, I do want to point this out. This is really cool, where you can have this thing. I'm going to copy this. So argx colon y text. Now we're going to put it in a real world example because I think that makes more sense. So we're going to say 2 and 4. All right, so what this is saying is now I want arguments 2 through 4 in here. It's gonna be a little complicated, but so it's gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this example, it's going to say cool clip Keegers. Now, if we had something else after this, watch this over and over again. Again, it would just simply say 2, 3, 4. Now we could go up to like 7 here. I don't know how many things I put in here, but so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you get cool clip Keegers, watch this over. Okay, so that's really cool. Again, I'm going into a little bit of detail, but hopefully just to explain what these things are saying. But for our example here, we only want this one here, arg1 text, because it starts at number 1. It doesn't have that colon, so it goes all the way to the end. So I'm gonna get really cool clip Keegers, watch this over and over. So that's gonna be the description of this command. So we're gonna go back here. Now that we've talked about this until the cows came home, let's go back and let's actually finish this command because I think it's really cool and really, really simple. So we're gonna add a Twitch command. So from our actions, go to Twitch, hit add. The type is going to be marker, string marker. Okay, mix it up. Can you put these in alphabetical order? That's why I was having problems finding it. It's not in alphabetical order. So you could do a clip where it would run a clip command for that person. So if you wanted to have that, do that. But you know what? I'm nice to my people. I'm gonna just do that. And then as you can see here, it says the description is optional, right? And we're just gonna paste in that text or $sign arg1 text, and that's it. That is literally all it is. So now, what should happen, from what I understand, is you should be able to just save this, and I'm gonna go back to my mix it up. Now when someone does exclamation point clip, they will see nothing happen. I mean, you could say that. Actually, that's a great thing. Let's give some feedback to the user. So let's add one more quick thing, because I think a feedback is really, really good. Let's do a chat message, and let's say, thank you. We need the user that ran the command, and I think that's username. That is username. So the user that ran the command is the username. Thank you, username, for that clip. Perfect, right? So now you will see that that is gonna be sent as a streamer. Thank you, username, for that clip. We hit save, so now when you do run that command, they will put a marker on your chat, or on your playback at that point in time, and then you will give them that nice little feedback of, here is the that we did that for, that you did that for them. So I hope that makes sense. I think that is a super, super powerful feature that now kind of helps, I don't know, someone honestly like me be able to create clips much more easily off of my stream, because then people can just be like exclamation point clip, click, hit enter, and they don't have to do all this stuff. They can just do that, and I love that feature. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. I am so in love with this right now. Anyway, guys, hope you found some usefulness in this, and if you have any questions, please, please, please let me know. Take care.